Whenever you engage your car for gear, because they make boom, reverse make boom, driving make boom, most times not be gearbox. Now this particular inner shaft azo bearing, this particular place here, that be the issues. Whenever you want to get clearance, all the inner shaft azo bearing not bad, just change that completely like so. You not go get any strange issues like those things where they make sure for you. Whenever you cut your car, whenever you engage your car for gear, those kind of issues not good. That boom boom, that crack noise not good. Whenever you choose to replace it complete sharp as well like this. So in case you're having this kind of issues, neither Honda, Toyota, Mercedes, just reach out to OJ Mechanical here on Sapele. We'll fix it up. We'll fix it for you and get the job done right way. Please don't forget to like, share, and comment. This video might be useful to others. Thank you.